Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We were discussing conversion of money. Now we shall discuss how to convert rupees into paise. We all know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So to convert rupees into paise, we multiply the whole amount by 100. For example, rupees 6. If we have to convert rupees 6 into paise, we will multiply 6 by 100, and 6 by 100 is equal to 600. So rupees 6 is equal to 600 paise. Similarly, if we have to multiply 8 rupees and 75 paise into paise, we have to convert it into paise. 8 rupees and 75 paise. 8.75 means the amount before on the left side of the dot is rupees and amount on the right side of the dot is paise. So it is 8 rupees and 75 paise. So 75 paise is already in paise. We have to just convert 8 rupees into paise. So we will multiply 8 by 100, and 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to 800. 8 rupees is equal to 800 paise. So 8 rupees 75 paise is equal to 800 plus 75 is equal to 875 paise. Now let us solve some more example. Suppose we have to convert 23 rupees into paise. So we will multiply 23 by 100, and 23 by 100 is equal to 2300. So it will equal to 2300 paise. Now suppose we have to convert rupees 12.25 into paise. So as I have told you, the amount before on the left side of the dot is rupees and the amount on the right side of the dot is paise. So here 12 is rupees and 25 is paise. So 12 rupees 25 paise is equal to rupees 12 and 25 paise. So 25 is already in paise. We have to just convert 12 into paise. So we will multiply 12 by 100, and 12 into 100 is equal to 1200 paise. So rupees 12.25 is equal to 1200 plus 25 is equal to 1225 paise. So 12 rupees 25 paise is equal to 1225 or 1225 paise. Now we have to do the vice versa, just reverse of it. To convert paise into rupees. To convert paise into rupees is very easy. You have to do nothing. Just put a dot from the right side. Put a dot. Count 2 digits from the right side and put a dot. Then you remove the word paise and write the word rupee at the beginning. For example, 640 paise. What I told you to do, count 2 digits from the right. This is your right side. 2 digits from the right. One is 0, one is 4. 2 digits from the right side is 0 and 4. So you just put a dot before 4. See, you just put a dot before 4 and write rupees at the sign of rupee at the beginning. So 640 paise is equal to rupees 6.40. Okay. Similarly, see this number 1010 paise. What I told you to do, count 2 digits from the right, 1, 2, and put a dot here, and then write rupee at the beginning. So 1010 paise is equal to rupees 10.10, means 10 rupees and 10 paise. Suppose you have to convert 960 paise. So you count 2 digits from the right, that is 0 and 6, then put a dot, and write a sign of rupee at the beginning. Then this will be rupee 9.60 or 9 rupees and 60 paise. You have to do nothing, just put a dot to count 2 digits from the right and put a dot, and then write the sign of rupee at the beginning. There is another method, we can divide it by 100, but since you have not learned the decimals, so we will adopt only this method and we will solve by this method only. When you will go in higher classes, then you will learn decimals, and then you will learn division by decimals, and then you can solve it by another method. In class 3, you just remember that you have to put a dot from the right side, 2 digits from the right side, and write the sign of the rupee at the beginning. This is all how we convert paise into rupees.